Moscow Najib met up with Vineet Nayar, HCL's chief executive. She started by asking him why the company is doing so well.
At HCL, we're very focused on creating trust through transparency, demonstrating huge amount of flexibility, and transforming the business of our customers from the legacy business to a digital business. And therefore, we are what I call the medicine for the headache they're facing. And that's what the customers love about HCL. And that's the reason, despite there is no overall growth in IT budgets, a lot of business is moving towards HCL because of what we have to offer to our customers.
But what was wrong with HCL before? Why were you losing some of your best engineers, and why were you losing market shares to your rivals?
The question is, how do you shake up the organization and make them realize that you are losing mind share, you're losing talent share, and you're losing market share? And you should not be comfortable about this. And how do you create a revolution within the company, which is a positive revolution, which creates dissatisfaction with today, creates a romance for tomorrow, and small catalyst action to go from here to there. And that's what we discovered in HCL in 2005, that we needed to change. So we enthused the people. We said, it's not acceptable. This is where we can go. We can be a very innovative company. We can create huge value for our customers. We can be loved and most respected for the innovation we bring in. And that vision empowered people, and they started moving from point A to point B. And that's the story of HCL.
You've been very vocal about China being an opportunity, but also a threat. Why is that the case?
We in India should understand that we built a $50 billion global IT services industry based on a momentum which was for offshoring. People wanted high quality, high talent available at low cost. The warning I give is there's no reason that in the next 10 years China can't do the same. I do not see them doing a lot of business with American corporations to help them globalize. And there are very few companies across the world who can help them set up their IT systems and business processes to be the world-class standard companies, to be global corporations. That's the reason it's a great opportunity for companies like HCL.
You've become very popular with your philosophy of employees first, customers second. Does that mean that HCL cares more about the people it pays than those that pay HCL?
Employee first, customer second is a philosophy of management and managers in HCL who drive hard to try and enthuse, encourage, enable the employees so that we can grow faster. So if you see in recession, we are one of the few companies in the world which grew 20% year on year. Everybody de-grew. We grew with no new products, no new service, nothing new. Our employees had the enthusiasm, the motivation, and were enabled to take the decisions in the value zone which outgrew our competition.
That was